Peachtree City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Floyd County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Cedartown, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Cassville, Fish Creek, Lindale, Paragon, Kingston, Hurley, Seney, Cedartown, Taylorsville, Cave Spring, Adairsville, Cartersville, and Rome. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.